It's been a great 2 days. Obviously, we know the open house was only on for 1 day, but we got a sneak peek yesterday, which was great. Now, for anyone who doesn't know you, could you give me a brief introduction into yourself and what you do here at DN Solutions?
Yeah, I'm the head of marketing for Europe. I joined the company 2 years ago, and yeah, we're setting this up now finally in Gütersloh as well.
What does it mean to you for DN Solutions to hold their very first open house in your brand new additive solution center?
It's great to be here. It's great to finally have an additive solution center in Europe. It's the first one we have here in Europe, and now it's in Gütersloh, close to my home city, Bielefeld. And we're really lucky to have the opportunity to build something brand new here, additionally to our European headquarters in Dormagen. And yeah, we're looking forward to what's coming next.
I like how it's always what's coming next. What does the future hold? How does this building and facility help you connect with DN Solutions globally?
So we're working very closely with our colleagues from Korea, from the US, and also in Europe. We are staying in touch. We're trying to build one picture, one company, one feeling whenever you are. So the touch point always feels the same, whether you're in Gütersloh, whether you're in Dormagen, in Seoul, Changwon, or in Chicago. It should always feel the same, and we want to be close to our customer always.
What should customers expect to see when they come to the open house?
They can expect to see our brand new DLX series. It's our additive manufacturing solutions where we entered last year in April. So now finally they have the chance to see it here in Europe for the first time. Well, except for the exhibitions we already had.
So the customers that have come to the open house, what's been the feedback from them? Because everywhere I've looked, everyone's just been having such a great time.
I think everybody is really impressed because they didn't expect it to be that big as it is. And to be so many people here, we're so happy to, well, accommodate and to welcome so many visitors from different industries, dealers, partners, customers. And the feedback was overall very positive. And yeah, they were quite thankful that we invited them. You know, the end of something is always the beginning of something else. So we're never done. We're just starting. But of course, we're happy everything turned out so positive in the end. But something next is coming up now.
Now I wait to see what is coming up. So just before we finish, for customers that didn't get the chance to come to the event, what have they missed?
Well, let's say they should have been here because they definitely missed on something. And they should visit us because they always have the opportunity and chance to visit the showroom here. So even if they couldn't join today, because it was just 1 day of the grand opening, they can get in touch with us and they can still visit the showroom and make sure they see the DLX.